Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. First, ensure that your Dyson V10 is unplugged for safety. Remove the dust bin by pressing the release button. This will give you better access to the trigger mechanism. Next, locate the screws that hold the main body together. You'll find two Torx T15 screws at the back of the vacuum. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Remember, it's important to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. With the screws out, gently pull apart the two halves of the vacuum body. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry them apart slightly. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Once open, you'll see the trigger assembly attached to the motor housing. Now, take a close look at the trigger. It should be connected via a small plastic tab. If your trigger is broken or unresponsive, it's time for a replacement. To remove the trigger, carefully lift the plastic tab and slide the trigger out of its housing. If you find it challenging, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Before inserting the new trigger, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft cloth or a brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure smooth operation once the new trigger is in place. Now, take your new trigger and slide it back into the housing. Make sure it clicks into place properly. After that, realign the two halves of the vacuum body. Ensure that all internal components are seated correctly and that there are no obstructions. Next, it's time to reinsert the Torx screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the screws. Once the screws are in place, reattach the dustbin by pushing it back until you hear a click. If at any point you feel uncertain or don't have the right tools, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and test the trigger to ensure it functions properly. If it's still not working as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.